Good morning, good evening everyone. So this is Newbery, and today's video is I'm painting a water lily. This is the water lily I'm gonna paint today. But this is in a paper, this is smaller. So I'm gonna use a bigger size, bigger than that, because I'm going to use a canvas today. So my canvas size is a 16 by 20. So I'm gonna use white, titanium white, crimson, crimson red, ivory black, yellow ochre or yellow, deep yellow, and ultramarine. This is a cobalt blue, so let's see, I save this later. And this is ultramarine, but I'm gonna use my background is ultramarine. So yeah, hold on. So, and then the brushes I'm gonna use, it's a giant brush today. It's not a giant, but this is size 8. And then this is size, I can't see, I can find the size of this one. And this one is size 6. No, actually size 12. This is a flat brush, size 12. And then also I had a liner, or I got a smaller size too. This is tiny one, smaller. And then I have this eyeliner brush to the 0 size. Yeah, 0 size, the liner for detailing. And of course the brush, I also, this one is a house brush, because my canvas is 16 by 20, and it's easy for me to spread the paint, maybe 2 or 3, but I just did two layers of gesso. And then the gesso I'm talking about is you can get it in Walmart, it's cheaper prices right here. So it's good stuff. So, and then after dry on my gesso here, and I sanded it. Okay, this is the sandpaper I'm talking about, this one. And right there I put a piece of sandpaper, and then I do it this way. Yeah. So because make your canvas smooth, because it's easy. My background today is gonna be cobalt blue. You know, the Waterlily sitting upon. It's like Claude Monet is my favorite artist. So that's why I got this from him, the Waterlily sitting upon. Okay guys, let's begin, shall we? Okay, now, I'm sorry, it's not, I'm tired about my background is ultramarine, it's not a cobalt blue. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. So this is ultramarine, so let little ivory black there, in here. To make it deeper. It's like a little grayish, blackish. Make it deeper, because I don't want to use a totally black. So the colors like this, make it yeah, mix with ultramarine and a little black to it to make it deeper color. Make it a crisscross. This one. first coat. Okay, it's all dry. See, just like that. And then you're gonna clean on the top too, okay? See, top. In one direction. There you go, Ultramarine. Okay, this is dry. The second coat. I'm going to mix ultramarine in red and then little black. So I mix this up right like this. I got a rich color of purple. Look at this. Yeah, so this is my second coat, okay? So first I gotta get my clothes. So that's why I always wearing the, you know, the blue coat I got. So that's why I'm wearing those, because my shirt is gonna have pink. It's not gonna come off. There we go, I'm done and happy with my background. Okay guys, let's begin. So I put a transfer my drawing, my Waterlily on my canvas. So I transfer already here, and then I'm gonna and then I blacked it in, and then the color is light purple. Okay, here we go. I'm mixing the colors blue, ultramarine, and red, and some of white. So good, it's a purple right here. So a little bit red, some more red. So let's see. The same color I'm gonna put it, because I have this canvas is no color. So like that. Your brush stroke is go this way. This one I make mistake is not like that. It's like this. Pulling your stroke towards you like that. Okay, so. After I put this thing here, the colors. Okay, this is all done. So not quiet, but I put a line here, the color. So if you don't put anything, this is the separation of the petal. So, and then I still have gonna put something in here. So for the meantime, I like to make a big a leaf here. It's almost done, guys. guys, and I told you this is easy one, right? So let's see. Let's begin. To make this leaf in the bottom, so I use a smaller flat brush because this one is kind of like too big and soft. So I want a little bit firm a little bit. So now first of all I'm gonna make a green. So I'm going to use deep medium yellow instead yeah. Alright, so I got that one. Green is ready to go. What I got so far, and I'm gonna add the highlights and that on the top. I add a yellow, medium yellow, and then red. Okay, so come up orange. Okay, I'm trying to put highlights in the hair. It's done. Okay, I hope you like my version of my Waterlily. So I hope you like it. All right, thank you and have a good night. Bye bye.